Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I don't have a Pika, but I have a Boo. This is my brand new 12-inch silicone baby. I've never had one before. And I wrapped her in fabric. We're going to call this her music sheet that has musical notes on it. I have it upside down, don't I? There we go. Nope, that's the wrong way. This way. She has musical notes on her little summer sheet that you would carry a newborn in. She has on an 18-inch doll set of PJs. I thought that was kind of cute on her. And I wanted to show a couple things that I've made for her recently. And one is this little bib. Although my ribbon didn't go on as smoothly as it would. When my kids were little, I used to make them bibs for the holidays, and I used to make them reversible so you could change it around. And that's what I made for her. Now, this was in a pattern book, and I think it's a little small. I think it should be a little bit bigger for Boo. Look how jiggly she is. I just love it. Her skin feels like a real baby. It's weird. This is something else I did when my boys were babies, was to make cloth diapers, but to make them reversible. And then on the inside, I would add plastic and that diaper fabric that's very absorbent. This one I did, since the holidays first coming up are Halloween and Thanksgiving, and I'll show you this on her. I think it's kind of cute, her little diaper. You want to see the other side? Hold on. We've got Charlie Brown and Snoopy going on the Thanksgiving diapers. Isn't that the cutest? I had it kind of crooked in the last one. They fit a little better than it showed. But yeah, I like those. I think they're cute. I'll have to make her more for every day. I want to thank Jessica's Homestead channel and also Tater Tots Nursery for the challenge with Pika. I hope you don't mind that I used Boo. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Boo.